Welcome to Cattle Lab's How To series. Today, we'll explore how to implement RAG with multi-file system. Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG, is an advanced AI framework that enhances text generation by integrating real-time information retrieval. A multi-file system in RAG enables processing various document formats, PDFs, Word files, Excel sheets, and images, using vector embeddings for efficient data storage and retrieval. This facilitates intelligent query handling, ensuring accurate and scalable knowledge extraction across multiple domains. The video begins with an overview of the file parser system in VS Code, highlighting key components such as environment variable loading with dotend, text extraction from various file types using PyDDF2, Python docs and pandas, and image text extraction via Google Gemini AI. It also demonstrates text chunking with LangChain's recursive character text splitter, vector storage creation using FAISS, and interactive chat support with Gemini 1.5 Pro. Next, the script is executed via the command streamlit run file_parser.py, successfully launching the Streamlit UI in a web browser. The interface allows users to upload multiple file formats, including PDFs, Word documents, Excel sheets, and images. Once uploaded, the system extracts and processes text, which is then split into chunks and converted into vector embeddings using Google Generative AI. These vectors are stored in a FAISS database, enabling efficient similarity searches. Users can then input domain-specific queries, and the system retrieves context-aware responses based on document content. Queries can be related to PDFs, Word documents, Excel sheets, or images, with responses sourced directly from the uploaded files. The AI model ensures precise and contextual responses, streamlining document interaction and enhancing knowledge retrieval. RAG with a multi-file system is useful in various domains. In legal and compliance, it extracts key clauses from contracts and policies. Healthcare and research benefit from retrieving and summarizing medical records, research papers, and clinical guidelines. Finance and accounting leverage it for processing financial statements, invoices, and transaction records. Education and knowledge management enable intelligent search in academic and corporate resources, while enterprise data processing extracts insights from business reports and operational documents. Stay tuned for more tutorials on Gen AI. Thank you for watching.